Don't play with me. Why is your neck moving like that? Today, we continue Garten of Banban. I played 0. I played 1 on Twitch. So here I am playing it for you guys on YouTube. Okay, I probably should went into the settings, but who cares? For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. What's happening? Oh, the door opened. Oh, there's something there. Ooh, that does not look good. Okay, this is much brighter than I thought it would be. Okay. Click the, and, okay. Why are the buttons moving? I don't know. Okay, Jumbo Josh. He looks like, I don't even know what he looks like. You know, no, he looks like slime. That's what he looks like, yep. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Okay, then. Oh, look, this little portrait. Oh, it's not. Wait, can I pick this up? I can. Wait, this is... Man, I don't even remember much of Garten Banban 0. What am I using this for? Oh, it's not. Why is it so dark? Oh. Okay. Too bad. It requires 2 batteries. Oh, there's someone here. Oh, here's one. One more. Oh, snap. I literally passed it. Okay, now what does it do? Oh, it's flying! Oh my god. Trying to hit me in the head. Okay, does it... What? Oh. I'm confused. What? Okay, so... Press the teleport icon. Which is the teleport icon? Oh. Controls can be accessed at any time. Okay. Oh, wait, is that how I hit this thing that looks like a button? Oh, he's yellow now. Hey, it didn't open. Rigged. Okay, what about this one? Well, I can actually see in there. So, maybe.
Oh my god! What is that?
Oh, no. Drone, you go first.
Damn!
Bruh. Oh my. Yeah. Yo, this thing's watching me. Okay, back up. Back up, bro. I got this. What you want? What you want? Ugh! Why did it slide like that? What up? What do you want? Oh, It is right there. Gross. Where did I just go? The end is here. Oh. Am I already gonna die? Hold up. I want my drone. Is it gonna be able to come up in here? I doubt it. It ran into the door. I'm not even curious to see what's in there. Oh my god. Oh. Yo. I can just kick anything? The end is here. Oh my. Wait. I missed what the objective was. Dang. Okay. You don't even move, bro. I can't see what's in the other room. I got my eye on you. Drone, I need you. I think, yeah, I think so, yeah. Some of those button things. Okay, no, go like right here. I feel like that thing is just gonna run up and kill me. Don't hit the door. Okay. No, it should be a straight line, and that thing is still there. Oh wait, was that the bird thing from the drawing? Pretty sure it was. Okay, what? That is not where I said to go. Okay. I don't remember much of the. Oh! Okay then. I don't remember much of this game. That's a lie. I don't remember like anything. How did you miss? He actually just missed that. Okay. Oh, Banban says. Oh, this is your kindergarten? Yeah. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine.
What?
Okay. Disturbing. Okay. Don't miss us, please. Don't hit the wall. Jill. Jill. Is it like just now hostile? I'm confused. Its mouth is open. Yep. Find eggs to feed Elpilla bird? I find eggs. Aren't you a bird? Is that not, like, offensive? Okay. Is this an egg? I guess so. Yeah. That's not what I just picked up. Oh, what is this? What did that just do? My game glitched. We gotta do that again. Just hit the button. Please. Thank you. Okay, so what did that do? Yo, I knew there would be one in there. Okay. Hello? Okay. Oh, I'm done. Okay. What? At the mouth? The freak? Did you just throw this up? That's nasty. I can't see. Okay. Don't you freaking attack me. Okay, oh, this was for this thing. Oh, okay. Should I name my drone? Like, it's a part of the game, but like, so like everyone gets it. Like, still, where's my drone? Oh, freaking thin as, I don't know what. Oh my god, you're trash. You aim too far down. Okay. I still don't know what this button's gonna do. Oh, hello. Get out of my way. Okay, I think this might let me open the door, which will give me a key card probably to open one of the other doors. Dang. That was very automatic. Ooh, a hammer? Yo, a pillow bird, get get in here. I'm about to get. Oh my! Get the freak out of my way. Hey, pillow bird, I got a present for you. Okay, it's for this. Not. Okay. Still didn't move. Wait, what was that do? Oh snap! Yeah, whoa. I didn't really turn that much. Okay. Yo, is this thing about to chase me? Wait. Whoa. Was that a pillow bird? Did you climb up here? From the abyss? Like, what? Yo. What's this? Emergency stop. Oh, snap. Pillowbird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. You can talk? Okay. If I... is he gonna start coming? Okay. Yo, please, don't move, please. There's so many things that could go wrong right now. Yo, what's with the music? What's with the music? Why'd I just get all, like, ominous? Was I supposed to get off? Okay. Why'd the music get all ominous? Ain't nothing over here but me. Hopefully. I got the chills. Wait, I was supposed to bring my drone. What was this? What was my color? What was... Okay, I know you were definitely white because you freaking scared me on the wall. Wait, what? Oh. Thank you. What is that? Whoa. Yo. Wait, it just like... Yo. Chill. What am I... Chill. Bro, come on, yo. Oh, no. God, no, please. What? No. Yeah. Oh. Well, that's not as... That... What do you want? Yeah. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Oh!
Why is your neck moving like that?
You need to leave!
Yo, what? Oh, my drone isn't here. I literally can't do anything. Yo, what? Where did you freaking come from? Did I just push him off? Wait, is he gonna die? Oh shoot, I'm gonna die. Yo, what? He's on it now. Uh, is he gonna kill me? Or what? I'm so probably not prepared. Look at his eyes! Wait, I'm actually walking past him. Yo, wait, he's not looking at me anymore. You don't wanna eat me anymore? I'm running. I'm running. I'm jumping. Now drop. Drop this path. Yes! Is he not just gonna walk back up the wall though? Or I'm not, I'm not taking that chance. I'm not taking that chance. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. If he comes back though, I'm done. Okay. Yeah, and these doors, unless I can't actually, yeah, I can. These doors better close, like, soon. This? Boarding pass. Boarding pass. President check-in. Class E. Seat D2. Name Uthman Adam. Uthman? Okay. From Montreal? I don't know how to say that. With that, like, mark over the E. MTL. Destination. Madrid. I never really knew how to say that. Gate B13. Boarding time. Wait, that's a QR code. Can I, like, actually use it? Okay, boarding time. 3:23. Okay. What'd that do? Wait, what? Was this already here? For you. Wait. Yo, creepy. It's kids playing? When did this get here? This wasn't here earlier. Oh my. Yo, what's happening? Check the drawer. Oh my god. I am stupid. I even looked down. Okay, I think this can play a video, it looks like.
Nope.
Wait, what is this little red thing? No? Really? Oh. Close the door? Or not? The freak? Was I supposed to be on there? I'm kind of cornered here. I don't like it. Push the chair in instead. I can't go even in there. Not even the chair can go in there. Oh my god, I thought that was the freaking, like, white thing that's on the wall. Okay. I guess I'm taking this chair with me, and I am ditching this place. Wait, no, wait. I'm going into the abyss where I freaking dropped a pill. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm so dead. I'm stranded and dead. How does this even work? Did I just crash? What's happening? What? I can still move. I can still kick the chair. Oh! Shoot. Shoot. What's happening? 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 Oh my god. I want my oh my shoe. Yo. He just pulled me down. He just pulled me down. That was freaking Jumbo Josh. I can still click buttons, but what's... That was the end of the game? Yo.